Well, I forgot to mention the cover for the exhaust manifold. It's got to come off. See that right there? There's 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. There's one back here. See that? Right there. Take them off, you'll be able to get. Well, it's time for a cheater. Here's my tiny cheater. Right here. That ought to do it. I ought to keep my knuckles out of there. Or maybe not, I don't know. Ah! There we go. Broke it loose. Does not feel good in there. Something's got to give. There we go. Got it out. See? There we go. Shield's out. You know where that goes. Alright, now we can talk about the rest of the exhaust manifold bolts. It's going to be a bitch. Alright, here goes nothing. I'm underneath. Right where my elbow is. That sucks. Right on my elbow. God damn it. Well, the last bolt you gotta get from the top. Last nut. It's funny. All the rest you can get from the bottom. Not this one. I guess you could if you tried hard. Who wants to try hard? You know? Just reach over the top and get it. Only a moron would try hard. Right? Okay, that's it for the exhaust manifold. Look at that, the EGR cooler is ready to come out. But there's the one dreaded bolt on the bottom. Some people say it's alright. It's not that hard. Not that hard to get to. Well, you can't see it! Can't see the dreaded bolt. Oh man, it's way down there. Way down there. I still can't see it. Oh, there it is. I felt it. I can feel it. It's not gonna help that much. Alright, we'll try to get the socket on there. We'll try to feel it. Feel the socket. This just sucks. Just sucks. Maybe it's easier to get from the bottom. Let's take a look. Oh, weird. I can see it. It's so weird. Yeah, I think people that say they don't have any trouble with this, they're lying. I think they're lying. Oh well. Let liars lie. Sounds like a Taylor Swift song. Right? Players play, liars lie. Whatever. I'm not Taylor Swift. I like Taylor Swift. I usually tell you don't get discouraged, but you know what? If you do, I totally understand. This sucks. It's not even tight. Wonder what the fuck happened. Maybe it's user error. Maybe I screwed up. Maybe I got the wrong size. I got it right here. I got it in my hand. Oh, look at that. It's like a pillow for my head. Bird poop right on the pillow. You know, sometimes when you're in a position like this, just fucking take a nap. You know, just work in your sleep. You know? Take a nap. I should have an air edge for this, but I figure since I'm on this, I'm not getting off. There's no way. You're not gonna see me quit on this one. Alright. So I got the nut. There it is. Ah, there it is. Right there. That's from the EGR cooler. Now we just have to deal with the dreaded EGR cooler stud now. Just still in there. Let's see here. How far is it in there? That suckety sucks. Okay? You know what I'm talking about. Alright, I got my special tool. Special tool for that. Alright, let's take another nap here, I think. We'll just get it on there. Let's get it on. Yeah. Okay. It's on there. Now I just have to convince it to come out. Oh, it didn't work. Alright, you know what I'm going to do? I'll take some crap off this end of it, huh? These things are cutting me up, so I'm going to pull them. Alright, don't be mad. There we go. Let's put them right back in. They're probably nice and soft. Alright. Now that I know I can do it, I gotta reach under here and jam this through the hole. There's hoses and shit everywhere. And I gotta get it on the stud, which is kind of small. Okay, I got it. I just gotta cut up my hand a little bit. Oh, there we go. Just a small cut, that's all. Just a small cut. We're gonna switch over to the air tools. Don't be mad. If you have air tools, power tools, you have to use them. Okay? I don't care what anybody says. Use them. Unless they won't fit in a hole. Might not fit in a hole. It's like the worst case scenario. A nightmare. Eventually I'll get a combination that works here. I don't know what it's going to take to get in it. Nope, that's not it. There we go. Nap time. Okay, that's it. That's the ticket. There we go. There it is, that little bastard.